So today we'll be working on a sports UI UX app. A sports UI UX app. We'll set it up. We'll set up the first frame already. The second frame was nearly set up, right? But there are easy steps that you can always brace up. So let's continue with the third phase of the app. All you have to do is click on the top side of the frame, duplicate the frame for it to just get a duplicate of the third frame. Once the frame is out, just check one or two things about the frame. Check if all the frame aspects are what you want or how you want it to be. If it's not how you want it to be, you can now change the wireframing aspect of it. Okay, if you've not done the wireframing, we'll get to do wireframing later in the course of this series. But for now, let's concentrate on building this app. The UI UX will be fluid and easy. The second aspect of what you're going to do is start changing. You duplicate the wireframe of this very store by copying what was on the fourth frame and pasting it on next to each other. All you have to do is do Control C. If you're using a Windows system, do Control C, then Control V to paste. It can paste in front or paste anywhere else, but just drag it to where you want it to be. Drag it, then rearrange it according to the design you want it to be, and then continue with your work. Enter the next line of action. Delete it if you must, like I just did now. Delete it, change it to the way you want. You now start putting the informations that are very necessary. Put the information that are very necessary. But for now, I'm going to design it in such a way that it's going to look like an e-commerce store, just like it's written store on top. Okay, I'll keep changing the frames one after the other. You just copy the frame and pasted it just beside it, and then drag it to be the same size with the framed, with the one that was copied. You can always continue duplicating it till you're very much satisfied to the number of places you place for e-commerce store. Set it up, check every other thing according to how it should be done. Place them according to themselves, according to where you want them to be, besides the designs that you want to set up. Once I am done placing the squares, the frames, the places that I want them to be, the next thing is I will go to where I placed all the icons. All the icons I use for UI UX design. I'll go to my UI UX folder. This is my UI UX folder. It's not all inclusive, but there are other designs, there are other icons that are not here. You can go to freeicon.com to get more icons. There are other even flat icons. You can go there to get more icons. I go there, collect the icons that I need. I'll do drag and drop. I prefer doing drag and drop, but you can use import. Import means to bring the icons to your workspace. You can bring it to the workspace, then reduce it as much as possible to fit into the frame you're working with. Like this is an e-commerce store, so I got the icons that are necessary for such. I got this checkout icon. I'm going to go back and get the cancel request icon, which is the close icon. I'll get these icons one after the other, then write the names according to how they are supposed to be. The cancel icon can always be picked. You have to choose the one you want based on the color you want, based on what you're working on. So moving ahead, you bring in the necessary icons that you need, like what I just wrote now. Cancel button.